Who is not allowed to be the director of a Singapore company? Or what are the director's disqualifications in Singapore? So generally, as we know, any person of legal age and who is competent can act as the director of a company in Singapore, and such a person can be local or can be a foreigner. However, there are certain circumstances in which a director is disqualified or a person is disqualified from acting as a director, and those circumstances are as follows. So, first scenario is if a person is undischarged bankrupt, then he is disqualified to act as a director of a company till discharge of his bankruptcy. If a person is convicted for an offense involving fraud or dishonesty that carries an imprisonment term of 3 months or more, then for a period of 5 years, this person is disqualified from acting as a director. Important point to note here is it applies only to offenses involving fraud or dishonesty. So, if there are any other offenses, for example, any other criminal offense or a traffic offense, then in that circumstances, this condition will not apply. The third point is a person has been convicted by the court of 3 or more ACRA filing offenses, then such a person is disqualified from acting as a director of a company for a period of 5 years from the date of conviction. And the last point here is a person has 3 or more companies that were struck off by ACRA within a 5 years period. And in that case, the disqualification period is 5 years from the last strike off of the company. So the last point needs some explanation. Sometimes people incorporate companies, and then after that, the company may not be active, and therefore people don't file anything and ignore the company entirely. In that circumstances, after a couple of years, ACRA may decide on its own that this person is not showing any interest in the company, and therefore this company needs to be striked off. So ACRA will pass a notice and the company will get striked off. However, what used to happen is because of this, there used to be many companies for which the compliance is not completed and they are waiting to be struck off by ACRA. So this provision was implemented whereby if the company is striked off in such a manner by ACRA on its own, and if 3 or more occurrences occur in a period of 5 years, then this disqualification applies. So now suddenly all the people in Singapore who act as director of various companies have become alarmed and they take proper action in time before ACRA strikes off their company. So this has improved the compliance landscape in Singapore significantly so far as company annual general meetings and filing goes. So moving on to next slide, what happens after a person is disqualified from acting as a director? So the first thing is the disqualification status will be recorded in the ACRA base file system. So if you extract the records for a specific person, the disqualification period will be mentioned against his name. Director must notify the company for which he is acting as a director and exit all those directorship. So company in that case must find another person to act as a director, or if such a person is not available, then in that case strike off the company. So this is what happens after the disqualification. Now there is one way to continue directorship with existing companies. So new directorship cannot be taken, but if the person is director of some companies, that directorship can be continued with a court order. So the person can apply to the court to allow continuing of such existing companies, and if court order is passed, if the court allows, then he can notify that information to ACRA and continue the directorship. However, continuing without permission is an offense in Companies Act and it is punishable, I think, with 10,000 Singapore dollars or some jail term. So, in summary, a person may be disqualified to act as a director for various reasons. Once disqualified, the person must exit all the directorship roles or obtain the court order, but ensure that everything is legalized.
Thank you for watching this video. This video was brought to you by Epica Consulting Singapore. Subscribe to our channel today to get notified when new videos are posted.